Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys a perfect toolkit if you love to work on your bike, and it's from the most trusted Indian brand, TAPARIA. First, let me just unbox the box from Flipkart. I bought this tool for 1500 rupees on the Big Billion Day. I got it for a pretty good deal, and normally the price will be around 2000 and 1500 rupees, so I was lucky and I got it for 1400. Anyways, I will leave a link in the I button and in the description box. If you want to buy that, you can go check that link. And here is the box, TAPARIA. This is the bill. So guys, this is TAPARIA 46 piece toolkit. I mean, this is the perfect toolkit if you love to work on your bike. I mean, you can do 90% of the job on any bike with this toolkit. So it's a one-time investment, and it will serve you for lifetime. Tools are like that. You only need to spend once in your lifetime. So let's unbox it. And here comes the perfect toolkit. Wow. So guys, this comes in let me remove the bubble wrap. So guys, this is the 46 piece TAPARIA toolkit. As you guys can see here, this comes in a plastic sturdy box, which is very useful, and it helps you to organize everything in this box. After use, you can keep the tools in this box and keep it safely somewhere. I mean, that's very useful. Another thing about this box is that you can carry it in your backpack and you can carry it anywhere. When you look at the box, here you can see the contents in the box. It's a 46 piece socket set from TAPARIA. TAPARIA is the most trusted Indian toolkit brand, and this is the perfect tool. If you look at the competition, STANLEY got the same toolkit, 46 piece toolkit, but I prefer TAPARIA because it's little more well built, and the thing is that TAPARIA is a made in India product. If you look at STANLEY, it's a US brand, but of course it's made in China, so go for TAPARIA. Here you can see the TAPARIA branding over here and over here, so you can see that. And this is the actual price of the toolkit, and it's really hard to find both in local stores and in Amazon or Flipkart, but I bought it for around 1500 rupees. That was a pretty good deal. So coming to the box, it's a well designed and sturdy box. It comes with a swivel lock, as you can see here. So let's open it up. Wow. See, so this is the content of this toolbox, 46 piece toolkit. What you get here is you get Phillips head screws, flathead screws, Allen keys, garbage, pretty much everything, and hex box bit from 14 mm to 4 mm. You also got small Allen keys here, which are not provided there, so you will get that one. So coming to the main thing, the ratchet handle. This is the thing that will come most handy when you work on bikes or any other household things. So this is a two-way ratchet handle, and if you lock this on the left side, you can loosen the nut on the anti-clockwise way, and if you push it to the right, it will turn clockwise and tightens the nut, you know. And if you take the socket, you can press here and it will lock itself up, see, and that way you can tighten the bolt, and if you turn it over here, it will turn anti-clockwise and loosen the nut. See, this thing saves time, effort, and it's very handy, you know. So that's a ratchet handle that TAPARIA provides with this toolkit. And if you want to release it, just press it and see. So that's a ratchet handle. Now the next thing after ratchet handle is the spinner handle. This will serve you as a screwdriver, and you can also attach the T handle over here for more torque. As you can see here, you can attach the T handle here, see, and by that, if you want to unlock any nut which needs more torque, you can apply more torque by using the T handle like this. I'll show you guys how. See, this is how the bit goes, and you can pretty much undo any nut. See, also this spinner handle will work as an extension bar. It will work as an extension bar, also as a T-bar, and it's a 100 mm extension bar. TAPARIA also provides a 50 mm extension bar which goes like this, and by attaching the two extension handles, you can apply more torque. You can apply literally more torque and undo any nut that's deep in engine bay or anywhere. So it's a pretty much easy to use time saver tool, and you can keep it back in a well organized way. That's the beauty of toolboxes. When you need them, you can take it from there. Another thing, if you are using a ratchet handle like this to open a 8 mm hex nut, and if you are not using a extension bar, it will be really difficult to open it up. There won't be enough space for you to work on. So that's where you need a extension bar. You just simply you just need to fix the extension bar to the ratchet handle that you get with the TAPARIA 46 piece toolbox. Then you can do this work and have fun. See, it will be really easy for you guys to work on the bolts that are in awkward or confined spaces. So that way you can use this extension bar. Guys, this toolkit is made out of good, extremely strong quality chrome vanadium materials. So it's very strong, and at the same time it won't get surface rust and break when using in extreme conditions. So the material used is chrome vanadium. So overall the toolkit is very strong and very sturdy. The build quality is extremely good. This is the universal joint. Guys, you know that when the nut or bolt which is in an awkward position or at an angle, you can get your screwdriver or your sockets in a straight way. You can use this universal socket joint. Also, TAPARIA provides a flexible handle which also serves the same purpose, which will help you to get into awkward place and unlocks the nut. See, you can't get your ratchet in a straight way. You can literally use this flexible handle and undo it. See, also you can attach the universal joint and have more leverage and more control over it. See, you can literally undo any nut. So that makes life easy, right? So guys, if you are someone who likes riding and likes to go on a long trips This is the must-have tool because you got everything from star bits to flat screwdriver along with Allen keys and all the hex key sockets. You can literally take this and put it in your backpack and can go tripping with peace of mind, absolutely not worrying about anything to go wrong. Because if you got this toolbox, you can do 90% of the work that your bike needs. So guys, let me just give you a demo here. If you want to remove this Allen key 4-inch nut, you might use the regular Allen keys. But if you use this regular Allen key, it will be really difficult for you guys to apply the amount of torque you need to remove this nut. See, it will be really difficult, and you might end up stripping the bolt if you use this Allen key. So that where you need a ratchet and a 4-inch Allen key bit. It will make your job easy. So if you want to remove this, you just need to move this lever to your left side so that it can turn clockwise and loosen up the nut. See, that's it. It's a fairly easy process if you use this ratchet handle. See, and it will spin freely on the one side. Plus, if you want to tighten it, just put this into the right side and you can simply tighten it. See, that way you can enjoy the work that you do. Plus, it is really easy to do these little jobs, and you can apply the right amount of torque and the right amount of pressure without stripping the nut. So that's the use and advantages of having a ratchet handle set. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and do share this video with your friends and family. These toolkits are lifesavers, and at the same time they will serve you for lifetime. So it's a one-time investment, and rest you can save your time and save your effort. I'll put a link in the I button and also in the description box for you guys to go buy this toolkit. So that's it guys, this is Mithun saying ciao. See you guys in some other video. Take care, bye bye. Thanks for watching guys. Please do subscribe to my channel.